Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the minimal facts that get results, the exact or partial file name and whether it's XLSX, XLS, or CSV. Once done, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and set the search scope to this PC or your home folder so nothing is missed. Make sure to enable showing hidden files and include recent folders. This reduces false paths. Now type the name or wildcard and proceed. This first action narrows the entire hunt. You now refine the search. Use wildcards such as asterisk, XLSX, or report asterisk 2025 if you remember only part of the name. This expands matches without guessing. Then apply filters, date modified to the day you last edited, size to exclude tiny exports, and kind to lock to Excel file types. If contents matter, enable searching inside files. On Windows, use the Advanced Index options or PowerShell Get Child item with select string, and on Mac, rely on. You finish by opening likely files and verifying them. Check last edit timestamp, sheet names, and unique cell values so you confirm it's the correct workbook. If you don't find it, search backups and cloud sync locations. OneDrive, Time Machine, Autosave, and the recycle bin frequently hold lost work. If still absent, troubleshoot system issues. Rebuild search index, check file permissions, and enable showing hidden or system files. That one tip, always check cloud backups, resolves most missing Excel cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.